Walking you through the Samsung Series 8 AI Energy Plus SpaceMax WW11DB8B95GHU1 Wi-Fi enabled washing machine in white. A smart, spacious solution built to make laundry easier. Let's dive in with everything you need to make an informed choice. This is a front-loading washing machine with a generous 11 kg capacity, and it spins at up to 1,400 revolutions per minute, helping to extract water effectively for faster drying. You appreciate the quiet performance too, with spin noise rated at 72 decibels. With dimensions of 60 cm in width, 85 cm in height, and 55 cm in depth, it is a compact fit for most utility spaces, and it weighs around 65 kg. Designed to optimize space and comfort, it features Samsung SpaceMax design, which maximizes drum capacity without increasing cabinet size. The drum is made from stained glass like tempered glass on the door, while the control panel is governed by AI-driven logic for intuitive use. Performance-wise, is energy efficiency class A, with estimated energy consumption at 32 kWh per 100 cycles and water usage of 54 liters per wash. The Eco 4060 cycle runs for approximately 4 hours. This machine features AI wash and AI control, part of Samsung's SmartThings ecosystem, allowing you to start or monitor cycles via Wi-Fi. You also find EcoBubble technology for effective cleaning at lower temperatures, quick drive for shortening wash times, auto dispense, bubble soak, steam, delay end, draw clean plus, and a child lock like cotton delicates, denim, outdoor, wool, bedding, hygiene, and more. Give tailored care for different loads. The spin performance is rated Spin Efficiency B, which balances water extraction and energy use, and overall noise emission is Class A, meaning is one of the quieter models in this class. You'll get all this with a refined, modern design, clean white finish, sleek control panel, and a glass door that gives the drum a contemporary look. Smart functionality via the SmartThings app allows remote cycle control, status updates, and even alerts when maintenance is needed. That's your overview of the Samsung Series A1 Energy Plus SpaceMax WW11DB8B95GHU1 washing machine. A large capacity, intelligently connected, and feature-rich model. If you want a smart, adaptable washer that fits comfortably in your space without sacrificing performance, this product deserves your attention. Thank you.